How to cancel flights on booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for booking.com. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and select the Bookings or Booking and Trip option from the drop-down menu that appears. In the list of your bookings, find the flight reservation you wish to cancel. Further, tap on the reservation to view its details. Look for the Cancel button, typically located at the top right of the page. Now, tap on Cancel and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Make sure to review the airline's cancellation policy associated with your booking. Some fares may be non-refundable or have specific cancellation fees. Details are usually provided in your booking confirmation or within your booking.com account. So, this is how you can cancel flights on booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.